Sugar-free, oil-free, dairy-free, high-protein, low-fat, gluten-free, nut-free, allergy-friendly, you name it. This is the healthiest matcha cheesecake ever made, and it's so delicious. Made with chickpeas, but no chickpea taste, don't worry. Super addictive, but it's so good for you. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, throw a can of drained and aged chickpeas into a blender. Along with a cup of chickpea flour. 2 teaspoons of matcha powder. A cup of dates. A package of farm tofu. A teaspoon of vanilla extract. And 1.5 cups of a plant-based milk. Next, blend it until super smooth. And pour it into a cheesecake tin. Then bake it at 350 Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Now let it cool in the fridge. And enjoy a super delicious and super healthy matcha cheesecake! Thanks for watching!